Assalamu alaikum. First we have to open a new file pod. In this video we are going to learn a sketch. First we have to select a plane which you want to sketch and make it to the normal view by right click on it. This is a reference diagram we are going to create here. Just make a screenshot of this diagram for your references. You must follow all dimensions in a diagram. First we have to draw the rectangle. Before that we have to draw a center axis for the references. After that you need to draw a center rectangle. Then select a line. Draw the line at the end of rectangle. After that you have to draw a circle. Now we are going to draw a circle at a center lines. You have to draw a two circle concentrically here for achieving the basic structure of the sketch. Go to the reference diagram. Now we are drawing the three circles here with one end of the rectangle. You have to give the dimensions for the rectangle and a circle. Give the dimensions for these circles. Select the small dimensions. First we have to specify the dimension for your rectangle. Follow the dimension as per the reference diagram. After that you have to give the dimension for your circles. Again you have to select the small dimensions and give the dimension for your circles. Then you have to give the dimensions for the center of the circles. First we have to give the dimension in between the edge of the rectangle and center of the circle. After that you have to give the dimensions for the in between circles. Then you have to give the dimension for your last end of the circle. Then click OK. Then click OK. After that you have to select a trim entities for delete the unwanted segments. Delete the unwanted lines of the rectangle. Just click OK. After that you have to use a mirror entities. Select a mirror entities. Then you have to select the top part of the rectangle and select a mirror about the center axis which is here horizontally. Select a mirror about with corresponding to the center line. We have to select a center line in a mirror about, then click OK. Now the one end of the top part is mirror here. After that you have to use a slot option. Select a slot. Inside the slot we have to select a 3-point arc slot or a center arc slot. Now we select a center arc slot and create a slot corresponding to the small circle. After creating a slot, you have to give the all dimensions with the reference of diagram. Use a small dimension for give the dimensions for the slot. Just click OK after that. Now we are going to add the relation between the circle and a slot. Select a slot and a circle by pressing the control key and select a tangent icon. Now the relation is applied successfully. Just hide the dimension for a better appearance of sketch and comfortable of sketch to be drawn. Go to the reference diagram. Now we are going to create a curvature part at the two ends of the diagram. Now we are going to draw the few circles for creating a curvature area. First I draw the circle with the corresponding to center of the slot, approximate dimension. After that we have to create a few circles. Before that we have to give the dimension for a circle as per the diagram as a 76 mm maybe. Then click OK. After that you have to draw a few circles. You have to select a approximate location of the circle and draw the circle and give the corresponding dimensions for a circle with a reference to the diagram. Then click OK. Now we are going to add the relation between the two circles which we created previously. Just hide the unwanted dimensions. Then we are going to apply the relation. Select a two circle by holding the control key. Now we are creating two circles. One is R38, another one is R18. Go to the diagram. Just select a two circles by holding the control key. The dialog box is appearance at the left side. You have to select a tangent option and then click OK. Now the relation is successfully applied here. After that you have to select a endpoint of the line and a circle and select a coincident relation. Then click OK. The relation is applied successfully here. After that you need to draw the one more circle at the approximate location. Then give the small dimension for a circle. Then click OK. After that you have to add a relation in between the circles. Just hide the dimension for a good appearance. Select a two circles by holding the control key and select a tangent relation and then click OK. Likewise you have to select a two circles at another end and select a tangent relation and click OK. After that we have to use a trim entities to delete the unwanted arc segments. After deleting the unwanted segments, finally we achieve the successful shape of the sketch. Then we have to mirror the curvature shape. So select a mirror entities and select a arc entities to be mirror. The corresponding to mirror about center axis. Select a horizontal center axis and then click OK. Now we have to use a trim entities again to delete the one end segment of the circle. Then click OK. If you want to fully define sketch, you have to give the dimension with the reference to the red color center axis system. Finally we achieve all the dimension as per the diagram. You can cross check the reference diagram. We achieve all the dimensions. After that you have to exit the sketch and go to the features. You can extrude the sketch. Select a corresponding sketch icon after selecting the extrude. Now the part is created successfully.